Review is revenue. How do negative reviews affect your personal injury law firm? As so well put by Abe Lincoln. Reputation is like fine china. Once broken, it's very hard to repair. Abraham Lincoln. Businesses that have just one negative article ranking online risk losing over 20% of prospective customers. What would a 20% increase in clients requesting appointments for personal injury law services mean for your firm? Businesses with 4 or more negative articles can experience a loss of up to 70%. Character is much easier kept than recovered. Thomas Paine. 90% of consumers report not frequenting a business with a bad reputation. If I take care of my character, my reputation will take care of itself. D.L. Moody. 87% of consumers report that they would reverse a purchase or an appointment decision if they read negative news or reviews about a business online. 60% of consumers say that negative reviews made them not want to use a business. See how tightly knit revenue is to your reviews? Bad news travels faster than good news. In the US, we tell more people about poor service, to the tune of up to 15 people, than about a good experience. There are 3 things that grow on their own: weeds, grass, and reputation. Chinese proverb. Degree of engagement for bad reviews versus good reviews. When I attended a training about reviews, the person conducting the seminar had said that negative reviews get much more engagement than positive reviews. He asked us to look at a random example of a roofing company online. Sure enough, every negative review had about 7 engagement responses from readers, and no engagement for the good reviews. I figured he was demonstrating a rare situation, and when I went home, I looked it up for myself. I searched at random, a plastic surgeon. Guess what? For every negative review, there were between 7 to 12 engagements. Go ahead. Try it for yourself. The negative reviews were drawing a lot more attention and engagement than the positive ones. This means we are having to work 7 to 12 times harder to make up for a negative review than we do for a positive one. Shiraj, MD. So will it be wiser for us to learn ways to address the negative reviews, and how to turn negative ones into positive? Now suddenly you will see why the executives of companies who care about growth and longevity of their companies place so much emphasis on positive reviews. So how do we get rid of these pesky little or not so little as they affect our revenue? Reviews from off your Google My Business listings. Over 80% of consumers are likely to leave a positive review if they feel the business took the necessary steps, and are likely to leave a positive online review if the business had turned an initially negative experience into a positive one. There are ways to decrease and turn negative reviews into positive ones, but it is not easy. We go over what those steps are when we discuss the specific situations with our clients. Connect to get help with Google reviews. And for how to turn a bad review into a good one, as we do for our clients. Since 85% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations, finding ways to get positive Google reviews for business becomes not just important, but imperative. Would you like us to prepare a free custom personal injury law practice online presence report for you, of how your competition is doing, and how you can do better? You can go ahead and now request a custom report especially prepared for you. We are offering free of charge for a limited time, so you can see how your competitors are performing. Turning a few key leverage points can suddenly increase your business to new levels, as we see with our clients. Request it at reviewisrevenue.com. For best results and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings, to invite and impress your potential new clients for personal injury law services to trust you, and book high revenue contracts with you. Subscribe to our playlist, request your free report at reviewisrevenue.com, and connect with us on LinkedIn to start building your unbeatable personal injury law practice online reputation. Thank you for watching. Wishing you success, on behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off.